What is football in Korean? Football in Korean is
축구, 축구.
again. Football in Korean is
축구.
How do we write 축구 in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable tuk, we need to draw first a chit character followed by an u character followed by a giok character. For the second syllable gu, we need to draw first a giok character followed by an u character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to write 축구 in Hangul.
And with that you've already learned what is football in Korean. Now, let's take the previous word quiz. What is athlete in Korean? Athlete in Korean is
운동선수, 운동선수.
congrats. Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.